Okay guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we are going to learn how to draw Iron Man using foreshortening techniques. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start up here. We're going to start with the eyes. And you're going to draw a diagonal line in and then a diagonal line up for the eyes. The next step is you're going to add one eye here and then one eye here. Now this is going to be a cartoon Iron Man, so don't worry if it's not exactly realistic. For the mouth part of his mask, you'll draw a straight line going across, a line down, and then another line down. Now to add more to his mask, you'll start here from the face, and you'll come up and over, and you'll come over here and you'll go up and over with a curved line as well. Now for the top of the mask, you'll start at the bottom here and you'll go up past the eyes a little bit, and then you'll just come over here and do the same. You'll diagonal line in, about the same length. And then you're going to connect these two together by coming in and in diagonal lines together. Now it kind of looks a little like Batman until we finish up his mask. The next couple steps, we're going to come back down here and add a line, over here and add a line. We'll connect them together with a couple more diagonal lines in. And then we're going to go back up, and then connect them together. Now this is only the beginning part of his mask because we're going to come down towards the bottom, a little past where we just were, not too far down. And we're going to go over. And then from here, we're going to go up, down, come over here, and we're going to go up the same way. And we're going to stay close to our previous line by going up. We're going to come over here and go up. And then after we go up past these lines, we are then going to connect it together with a curved line for the top of the Iron Man mask, like so. We're going to go over here. We're going to add a couple of ears for the side. Okay, after this part, you are then going to start working on the body by drawing a line going down at a slight curve. Now remember, this is going to be a cartoon, so it's not going to be realistic. The same over here. Connect those together with a curved line. We're going to add another curved line there as well for the belt. And the middle, I think most of you guys know what goes here. You're going to draw a circle and then another circle on the inside like so. You'll add a couple more buttons for his outfit, his suit. Now, the rest of the suit that we're going to be drawing is we're going to come down and we're going to start in a little halfway down here. And we're going to start by adding his legs. Now, I'm going to go ahead and erase this little line right there. We're going to come over here. Oops. Straight over, straight over. I'm going to erase this line. You want them to be nice and straight on the same plane. You are then going to do a curved line and go in. And you're going to do the same over here where you do, oops, that angled up a little bit. You're going to do a curved line and go in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase this line I did not want. After this, you're going to come up like so, up and around, And you're going to go come in a little bit here, up and around. And then you're going to go up here, and you're going to go up, back up to the belt. You're going to go here and back up to the belt. I'm going to go ahead and erase that line because I do not want that line. Now, the next couple steps for our Iron Man, you are going to go ahead and add just a little more detail on the inside with kind of how the suit bends while Iron Man is in it. Just some more details. Tools in his pockets. Now, for the next step to do the hand using foreshortening, you're actually going to trace your own hand. And the hand is going to be so much bigger than the body because, compared to the body, because we're using foreshortening. To do this, you're going to stick your hand up by his face. And you're very careful, you don't have to do your whole hand. You're going to trace around your hand. Now some of mine, and if you want to do this with yours, some of mine is going off the paper. And that is okay. That is just fine. I'm going to go ahead and go right around there. Now, after you draw the hand, you're going to want to go back in and erase the part of the mask that is in the hand, okay? Because this hand is so much closer to us than the rest of the body, and that's how foreshortening is done. So there's the hand here. We're going to go ahead and very carefully add in the device that Tony Stark has put on his suit. Now, to do the arm, all you have to do is you start at the bottom of the hand and you angle back to the top, okay? Because it's going back into the distance. I'll come right up here and add the rest of that arm there. So there we have the hand that's so much more, you know, so out front, so much bigger than the rest of the body because it's so close to us. Now to do the rest of the body, you're going to come over on the right side, and then we're going to add some fingers. Just some 3 ovals next to each other. You're going to go right in here, right on the bottom. You're going to come up for kind of the part of the palm we don't really see. Okay, that's kind of his palm here. And then you can go ahead and we're going to come down at the bottom. We're going to angle back. You're going to come up to the top and you're going to angle right back over here. And then we're going to take this spot right here. We're going to come in a little bit from the forearm. We're just going to angle up here, come out and over for the rest of his shirt.